students, good afternoon students. In previous class students, you learn about the xylem tissues and after that you learn about the phloem tissues. These are the complex permanent tissues. Understand? These are the complex permanent tissues. So today we are going to learn about what are the main differences between the xylem tissue and the phloem tissues. Understand students? So you make two columns for differences. Make two columns for the differences. Write in your notebook. First column is the xylem and second column is the phloem. First work of the xylem is the conduction of water. Conduction of water and mineral. Conduction of water and mineral. Of water and mineral. In phloem you write in your notebook. In phloem you write first conduction of preparation of food. Prepare the food and that food is the sucrose. That food is the sucrose. Second is the two types of the vessels. Vessels and tracheids play important role to conduction of water. Important role for conduction of water, and here only sewage element preparing the food. Preparing the food. Two cells. This work is the conduction of water. And third and main function is that it conducts. What are its conducts? It conducts water and mineral root from the stem. Conduct water and mineral root from the stem to leaves and conduct water and mineral root from leaves and stems. And it leaves prepare food and send to tip and other part of the plant. So students, in this way you learn what are the main differences between xylem and phloem tissues. You see here the diagram of the phloem cells, you see here the diagram of the xylem element. These are the four types, but all the parts having the specific function and it is necessary for the growth of the plant. Thank you so much students.